guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. Thanks for watching. This is B.fleye Beauty, and today I wanted to do a quick rundown of my favorite red lipsticks. So this is one of my favorites I'm already wearing. It is a Adora, I think, by Kat Von D. Yeah, that's right, I had to pull that straight away. Adora. It is a liquid lipstick, but you can buy it in a tube version. I don't even know that you can get it in the liquid version anymore. I mean, look at this old packaging. Hello. Look at that. So I've already done this video, realized that my microphone wasn't on, so we're going again. Couldn't get the lipstick off, so we're gonna go swatch on the other arm. So you can see it on my lips. It's kind of an orangey red, and there is some metallic in it. This camera is gonna pick up more bright than what you would see in person. I don't think it's this bright. Anyway, this is gorgeous. Also looks really nice on warmer skin tones, deeper hair color. My second liquid lipstick is Adora. Nope, that was Adora. This is Amore by Milani, or number 22. This formula is super duper drying, but I get the most compliments I've ever had wearing this color. It's a very strawberry red, and though it would look good on everybody, I think this is better suited for blondes and lighter skin tones. Very strawberry red. And my last liquid lipstick is the Smashbox in Maneater. This is a true red, and it is also metallic, so it's my second metallic one. This is really hard to do with your left hand when you're right-handed. So these two are metallic, this is a regular, these are the liquid lipsticks. And then I have some bullets. This is the Revlon, I have no idea the color because the little thingy came off because I've had it for so long, but I will link it down below, I will find it. Beautiful blue-red color. This would look beautiful on any skin tone, any hair color. Ooh, my goodness. So, true blue red. Beautiful. Smells disgusting because it's old. And I have one that smells even more disgusting because it is even older. And it is by Sebastian. And I don't even know if it exists anymore, but I'm talking about it anyway. So this is, look how gross. It doesn't even go up anymore. Ew. It's called Love though. Cute. All right, so let's put this one here. And then I have a couple of sticks. This is the Nars stick in Cruella Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. It's not called a stick, excuse me. Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Cruella, and this is a deeper color. It's not gonna look very deep on the camera, but it's a deeper berry red. And this looks good on everybody. I wore this in one of my previous videos. Ooh! And this one stays on really, really well, even though it's not a liquid lipstick. And then I have, this is a Colourpop. I know that they still make these, but this, I don't know if it's old packaging or if it's just old in general. But this is the matte lippy sticks. I just love how this is shaped. And this one's in Bitchette. And this is a deep, almost a brown berry red. Look at this, doing this with my left hand, guys. Yeah, this is a little bit more of a berry toned red. And these stay on really, really nicely. They're matte, but they're not super drying. They have a little bit of a velvet texture. And then lastly, I have one of my favorites that I recommend to anybody with a warmer skin tone, any sort of brown, warm hair. It's a Revlon crayon type, and I will link it down below. I ran out of that one because I love it so much. And that's all I have for you guys today. These are my favorite reds. Let me know if you have any of these or what your favorites are in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.